Alright, so once you open the folder, um, what is it? Hold on. So we look at the application. So the application is going to be in a zip file like this. So this zip file that has what's it called? Um, but I think it's a shortcut from the mouse. So this is the folder that I sent to you, just exactly what I sent to you. Okay, this is what I sent to you. It will be in a zip file like this when you download it. Okay, which you can choose to extract or just use it like that. So open it like this, right click, which is this is the crack I'm talking about, and this is the project itself. So you can decide to run it or extract it if you want to, anyone. So you must have done that part. So if you open the crack file now, okay. So this is the crack file. This is the one I'm talking about. This crack file. Inside it has it's been cracked. You understand? Let me open it and show you. So this is the file, the middle one. That's the one I'm talking about. Okay. What have the readme file here? You can actually, or everything I'm saying is actually in the readme file. I can read that. But this is the one I'm talking about. That I server something that file, this file. Yeah. This one, that's what I'm talking about. There's another one too inside this, another in case antivirus should stop the first one. If antivirus remove that, you can use. So all I need to do is to copy. Go to your C directory, that's your local disk C. Make sure it's local disk C, the one that has program file. So double click on it to open it. Once it's open, go to program file. In the program file, you're going to see IBM. So just open program file, look for IBM. Down here, yeah, that's it. So this is IBM here. Make sure it's this one. Okay, this very one. So that is IBM. So open the folder, you see SPSS, open SPSS, you see statistics, open statistics, you see 25, which is the version I'm using. That's also the version I'm using, of course. So when you open this particular place, that is where you need to paste that thing. Just right click and paste. I'm using Windows 11, or just let me expand it. Just paste it here. That's all. Okay. Once you click on paste, this is Windows 11, so that's why my paste is like that. Or you can just press Ctrl V, and just paste it. It asks you, do you want to replace the file in destination file? That this particular one. This is one you need to choose. You want to replace it, just choose this one. Okay. You click on it. So when you click on it, that's all. Okay. Once you click on it, it's going to ask you to what you want to replace the existing file. You just click on continue. That's all. That's all. It will replace your that. That's the only thing you need to do. If you do it and refresh, then open your SPSS. It's my SPSS. Let me just open it. Okay. So search for SPSS and open it. That's all. It will run. Okay. So I hope that works for you. Let me know if that works. Okay. So we can fire them. Thank you so much.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take